Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to withdraw from your Bybit account using P2P. First of all, you're going to have to just open your Bybit and let it load. Then once your Bybit is already open, for those of you that it's been a while you logged into your Bybit, it's going to ask you to log in your email address and your password and all that. Once you open it, this is the interface you're going to see. Just click on P2P here and then acknowledge. If you've not used P2P before, it's going to show you some certain steps and tell you to watch a video on how to do this. Just say proceed to trading or something like that. Then once you come to this place, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see buy or sell. So but since I want to make a withdrawal, I am going to be clicking sell. Now for you to understand this, you need to understand what P2P means. P2P simply means two persons making a trade. For example, if I have USDT and I want Naira, I will look for somebody who has Naira who wants USDT to sell. You understand? So if I am selling USDT, there are other people who want to buy, which is this account you're all seeing here. All this account you're seeing here as people who want to buy USDT. So, but for those of you that actually have little amount in your account you want to buy, you need to filter the ads. All these things you are seeing, they are called ads. These are people account. These are real people account. These are people who are interested in buying your USDT and giving you the cash you want. So what you need to do is come to this place that looks like a filter. So you can filter only people who are eligible and people who are verified. So just click on this place that show verified advertisers or block trade merchants. So just mark it, show only eligible ad, mark it, then sort overall, confirm. And then if you are withdrawing something that is less, let's say you want to withdraw like 50,000 or you want to withdraw less than 50,000. Okay, I am going to be withdrawing like 15,000 naira. So you just come to this place and click on it and then change this to 15,000. So I have to filter people who are willing to sell little amount of 15,000, because most of these accounts you are seeing here, these are people that, some of them are people who actually have heavy amount. Like they'll tell you if you are withdrawing less than 100,000, they cannot sell to you. So that's why you need to filter to those people who can actually sell lower. So now what you're going to do is to look for the buyers who can actually sell. This one says the limit he can sell is 9,999 naira, which is like 10,000. The limit he can sell is 10,000 to 136 million. So this is what you're going to go to. This one now says the limit he can sell is 30,000, which I am not going to choose this because I don't want to withdraw up to 30,000. I just want to withdraw like 15,000 or 10,000. Okay, you can see this ad here. This one says the limit he can withdraw is 5,000 to 22 million. So let's choose this one. Now I'm going to click on sell. You click on sell, you wait for it to load, and then this is what you are going to see. Select payment method. This is where you are going to select payment method. You can press here and then select other payment. I've actually included all my payment method here, to my UBA bank, to my OPay bank. So I've already chosen this one already. You just click on confirm and leave it the way it is. Now this is how much I'm going to be receiving, and this is how much I am going to be giving out. Like this is what will leave my balance. My balance, like I showed you guys before, was $30. So but I want to increase this to 15,500. So it will be 11. Okay, let me reduce it to 14,500. Okay, this is what I'm going to be receiving, and this is how much that is going to be leaving my Bybit. I'm going to be paying 10.64693 USDT, and I'm going to be receiving 14,500. Now click on sell. Once that is done, so you go to your Google Authenticator. For those of you who already have Google Authenticator, you just go to your Google Authenticator, search for it, and then copy the code. Copy the code that is in your copy. Okay, this is my Bybit. I'll just copy and then come here, paste, confirm. Now this is it. I am going to be waiting for the seller to transfer the money. Okay, the person just said he has already transferred. Okay, I think I just received it. Now let me check. Okay, I just received the amount. So I am going to now go ahead and release the token. Let me check my transaction history to be sure. Okay, I just received the amount, so I'll just go ahead. You can cancel this. I'll just go ahead. You can contact the buyer. You can contact the buyer from here, the person that is buying your USDT. Contact the buyer from here and look at the whatever the person says he has made the payment of this and successful. But even as though that you're supposed to pay 14,500, but what I received was 14,450, which means they deducted 15 naira for charges or whatever. So I'm going to leave in that one and just click on release. Then now you're going to confirm that you've actually received this money before releasing the token. So click on confirm and then release. Now you have to go back to your Google Authenticator. This is for extra verification. And then copy the code. This is Bybit. Copy the code. Paste it. That's it. So this transaction has been completed. You can see here it's been completed. I can now go and view my asset. Maybe when I refresh, just go back. Now I now have $19,000. I mean. So that is it for how to withdraw using P2P. So please endeavor to like, subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.